Hello my dear students, today we will do English picture composition for ICSE Class 10. Now this is for 2025 examination and this question is taken from new Specimen Question Paper that is released by ICSE. So this is the question 1. Do not spend more than 30 minutes on this question. Write a composition 300 to 500 words on any of the following. Okay, so in question 1 you have to remember you have to spend 30 minutes, 300 to 500 words. Okay, now we are taking the fifth question, which is the picture composition. Study the picture given below, write a story. Okay, you have to write a story or a description or an account. So these are the three things: story, description or account of what it suggests to you. तो आपको ये पिक्चर देख के क्या लगता है उस पर आप स्टोरी लिख सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिख सकते हैं या कोई भी अकाउंट लिख सकते हैं. योर कंपोजिशन मे बी अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर, ओके, और यू मे टेक सजेशंस फ्रॉम इट. हाउएवर देयर मस्ट बी क्लियर कनेक्शन बिटवीन द पिक्चर एंड द कंपोजिशन. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपने जो भी कंपोजिशन लिखा है, जैसे कि स्टोरी लिखी है, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखा है या अकाउंट लिखा है, उसका डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए इस पिक्चर से. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट लेट मी टेल यू आई हैव टेकन द आंसर फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर बुक. आई विल गिव यू द लिंक ऑफ दिस बुक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. 61 सैंपल क्वेश्चन पेपर्स फॉर आईसीएसई क्लास 10. इधर इस बुक में सभी सब्जेक्ट्स कंबाइंडली दे रखे हैं. सो दिस इज बाय ओसवाल, बाय गुरुकुल बाय ओसवाल फॉर 2025 एग्जामिनेशन. ओके, सो लेट अस बिगिन. लेट अस स्टार्ट. Let's read. First let me show you the picture again. This is the picture. Okay. Childhood is a time of innocence and playfulness. Children make friends instinctively. They do not bother about class, creed or color. Students, please remember, check out the good words that we have used. Use good vocabulary words. Okay, so childhood is a time of innocence and playfulness. Children make friends instinctively. They do not bother about class, creed or color. They have only one creed, that is humanity and oneness. Now, regardless of their mother tongue, upbringing or family ethos, their primary goal is to play and derive maximum pleasure from it. Now, so this is the introduction part of it. Now the story starts. Anu, Shri and Shaji are classmates who live in the same apartment building. During holidays, they plan to spend as much time together as possible. Their favorite pastime is playing trains. Each child takes on the role of a train car, forming the line and heading to the car park, which they imagine to be a railway station. Now, on certain days, other children join in, creating a long train that winds, chugs, and comes to a shuddering stop. The watchman acts as the guard, while the drivers of parked cars become vendors and passers-by. Now, watching that great game brings back nostalgic memories of station masters flagging off and steam engines hooting amidst columns of smoke. One day, Anu suddenly stopped. She had a catch in her leg and couldn't move. It turned out to be a ligament tear, immobilizing her leg. Her friends immediately rallied around her, offering moral support. Not a single child continued the train game. Instead, they all sat down to play, passing the ball and ensuring that Anu won the game. Now, adults can learn a lot from children because they are sensible and sensitive. Qualities that are often, so this has to be small q. Qualities that are often lost in the gritty ways of life. An adult's egocentric thoughts and indifference to the suffering of others dehumanize them. Highly strung, they forget the small pleasures of give and take. When someone is indisposed, others often remain blissfully unaware, continuing at their own pace without slowing down or offering help. The children, on the other hand, are blessed with fellow feelings, empathy, and close bonds of friendship. Let the adults take a leaf out of their small wallet where only friendship thrives and humanness rules. Their natural kindness and willingness to support one another are qualities we should strive to inculcate within us, fostering a more compassionate and connected society. So, my dear students, this was what was written in the answer of this particular book. This particular book has all the subjects combined. You can read and practice a lot to succeed for your 2025 board examination. You can go ahead and have a look at the book in the description below. So if you have liked the content, if you have liked this practice that we have given you, please like, comment in the comment section what else do you want, how you want us to help you in your ICSE English practice. Share this if you liked it and subscribe to Zenith Academy Online for all the content on ICSE. We have all the subjects included: English, Hindi, chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, everything. So go ahead and have a look at our channel. Do subscribe. Bye bye my dear students and keep the learning on.